Hello boys, good evening. Myself Enes Yadav. Our channel is GB Physics Coaching Classes. Today we shall discuss LCR series circuit connected to an AC source for class 12. LCR series circuit connected to an AC source. This is our topic. Let this is L, this is C, and this is R. Connected to an AC source, V equal to V naught sin omega t. Voltage across this VL, across this VC, and across this VR. Now, let an inductor of inductance L a capacitor or of capacitance C and a resistor of resistance are connected in series to an AC source. The voltage across R VR is equal to IR. The current and the voltage and current are in the same phase. It means there is no phase difference is 0. The voltage across capacitor VC equal to IXC. Voltage left behind the current a phase difference pi by 2. Voltage lag behind the current. It means current leads the voltage by pi by 2. And third, the voltage across inductor BL is equal to IXL. Voltage leads the current by pi by 2. Voltage leads the current by phase difference by phase pi by 2. So phase diagram. This is O, this is A, this is B, and this is C. CBL according this current in the direction of X, and this is Y, and this is minus Y, and this is X. If the resultant of these, this is BL minus BC. If BL is greater than BC, then let this is B and this is BC, this is BL and this is BR. Let this is H. So if voltage across the inductance is more than the voltage across the capacitor, then the difference between the voltage VL minus VC is just equal to OD, or OD equal to AH. The OH is equal to OA plus AH, or we can write it OH square is equal to OA square plus AH square. So resultant voltage is equal to BR square plus BL minus BC whole square, or this is B equal to IR whole square plus IXL minus IXC whole square. Or this can be written as I take common, then R square plus XL minus XC whole square, and B upon I is equal to R square plus XL minus XC whole square. This B upon I is equal to impedance of the circuit. Means of LCR series circuit. So Z equal to R square plus XL minus XC whole square. If the same is phi, the phase difference between the voltage and the current, the direction of the current is such and the resultant voltage is such. So the phase difference between the voltage and the current is phi. The phase difference between voltage and current tan phi is equal to VL minus VC upon VR, or it can be I XL minus I XC upon IR, or we can write tan phi equal to XL minus XC upon R, or it can be written omega L minus 1 upon omega C upon R. Theta phi equal to tan inverse omega L minus 1 upon omega C upon R. So this is the phase difference between the voltage and the current. Special cases. Let the B equal to A sin omega t, I equal to A sin omega t plus minus phi. Phi is the phase difference. For omega L equal to, for XL equal to XC, then there is only the resistor in the circuit. Then the circuit is pure resistive. Current and voltage are in the same phase. There is no phase difference. It means this is the case first. Phi equal to 0. Case second. If BN leads BC, then tan phi equal to positive. and voltage leads the current by phase difference by phase phi equal to pi by 2, or the circuit is inductive dominated. The circuit is inductive dominated. Case third, BC leads BL. If BC is more than the BL, then circuit is capacitive. Then tan phi equal to negative, or circuit is capacitor dominated, capacitive dominated. Current leads the voltage by I leads B by pi by 2. This is all about the LCR circuit. Again, consider inductor L, capacitor C and resistor R connected easily to an AC source V equal to V naught sin omega t. Voltage across the resistor VR equal to IR. This R is the suffix. VR equal to IR. I is the current passing through the AC circuit and R is the resistance of the resistor. A phase difference between the current and voltage in the resistor 0. So the current and voltage goes in the same direction. But in case of capacitor, current leads the voltage by pi by 2. And in case of inductor, the voltage equal to IXL, XL is inductive reactance, and voltage leads the current by pi by 2. So if we draw a phasor diagram, in the resistor, voltage and current all in the x direction. In case of the inductor, voltage leads the current by 90. The voltage equal to OB and current in OS direction. But in case of capacitor, leads the current to the voltage by 90. So voltage across the inductor and voltage across the capacitor are out of phase. There is phase difference 180 between these two. If we find the resultant voltage, then the square of VR and square the difference of the voltage across inductor and capacitor. So this is all. V upon I is the impedance of LCR circuit. This Z is equal to R square XL minus XC whole square. The phase difference between the voltage and the current is tan phi. This is phi. So tan phi equal to VL minus VC upon VR or IXL minus IXC. then phi equal to 10 inverse omega L minus 1 upon omega C R. If the XL and XC equal to each other, in that case only resistance in the circuit and the current and voltage have no phase difference. Phase difference is 0. If inductor leads the voltage of the capacitor, then the circuit is positive, inductive dominated. If the VC leads the voltage of inductor, then circuit is capacitive dominated. This is all about the LCR circuit. Now we finish our lecture here. Okay.